5 refreshing summer salads and salad dressing recipes to beat the scorching heat with the summer setting in. It's time to add some cool salads that hydrate and refresh to your daily diet. These salads are packed with essential nutrients and fiber that will help you beat the heat with flavor and crunch. Here are 5 salad recipes just perfect to pair with that Sunday brunch or weekend picnic, with dressings so good you'd want to drink them. Sagar merchant, chef, and founder of Coddle has shared 5 salad recipes that feel like summer on a plate. Watermelon, feta, and mint salad with honey balsamic dressing serves 2 ingredients salad and dressing and method in a bowl. Add the watermelon. Combine the dressing ingredients in a separate bowl and whisk well. Drizzle over the watermelon, and finally crumble the feta and mint leaves on top just before serving. Cucumber and avocado salad with a cooling yogurt dill dressing serves 2 ingredients salad and dressing and method. Combine the salad ingredients and toss in a bowl. In a separate bowl, stir together all the dressing ingredients into a creamy, herby dressing. Dress the cucumber and avocado salad before serving and enjoy. Grilled corn and tomato salad with spicy lemon vinaigrette serves 2 ingredients salad and dressing and chilled noodle salad with peanut sesame dressing serves 2 ingredients salad and dressing and method. Combine the salad ingredients in a bowl. In a separate bowl or blender, mix all the dressing ingredients till smooth, and adjust the consistency with water. It should be creamy and flowy, not pasty. Taste and adjust the dressing. Toss the dressing with the noodles and veggies, and enjoy cold. Mango arugula salad with a tangy ginger dressing serves 2 ingredients salad and dressing and swipe left for next video method. Combine the salad ingredients in a bowl and toss. In a separate bowl, combine and whisk up the dressing, taste and adjust for seasoning. Drizzle over the mango and greens, and toss. Chill in the fridge before serving. Pro tip: keep everything cold. Summer salads hit differently when all your ingredients, including the bowls and plates, are nicely chilled. Keep your veggies crisp and your dressings ready to go so that you can toss up a flavor bomb in an instant. Latest blogs.